Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways how you can notify your LinkedIn network that you are away from office. Option 1, you can change your headline. You just visit your LinkedIn profile, you click the little pencil icon, and then you can change your headline. For example, I will be gone until you're putting in the date. If you have any urgent requests, you can get in touch via, and you can put your email, phone inside. So that's one way how you can notify your network. Put in the headline. Option 2, if you don't want to waste your headline, in this case, you want to make sure that you have an about section on your LinkedIn profile. If you don't have one right here, you can click on add profile section and then click about summary. And then you can do the same thing. You're gonna explain what's going on, how people can get in touch. You have way more text than with your headline, but it's basically the same deal. Really important to keep in mind that you will only see the first 2 to 3 lines of your about section, so you should make sure that you include your away from office reminder in the first line to make sure everyone will see it, because most people will not read more. So make sure first line, and then you can share that you are offline for a while and how people can get in touch with you. Option number 3, you can create a post about it and then share this with your network. You can tell them you're going to be away for a while, who is the person going to replace you, or who is the person to be contacted in case of emergency. And you can just type in the add key and then start typing the person's name. Select a person, and then it's easy for them to connect with someone else, like for example your colleague taking over your sales portfolio while you are on vacation. So we're going to say post notification not now, and then what you can do, you can click here and click feature on top of your profile. Now in my case, I accidentally actually attached like a post over here, so this would be featured here. But if you just have a text post, you will see I'm on vacation until May. This will be clickable on your LinkedIn profile. And if you want to remove that, you can just click remove from featured and it's gone. So that's a really good way to pin something to your profile to make sure that people are aware of what's going on. Now, option number 4 is that you can actually send out personal messages and tell people who have to know that you are gone. Just click on the message button, and then you can click new message and type in the name of the person and write a short personal notification for everyone who is one of your VIPs, who has to rely on you, so they know what's going on and what's the emergency plan. It's often much better to have a proactive approach, telling people what's going to happen, than them finding out indirectly by visiting your profile and looking at like the pages, like seeing, oh, there is an away from office message. So make sure that you don't do that with everyone, especially if like a larger network. Only message the people who are really important, who are depending on your communication. So that's a really good way how to let your network know what's going to happen when you're away from office. And then last but not least, you can also use one of LinkedIn's features, which is called the set away message. As you can see, you just go to your messaging, and then you click the 3 icons, and then you click set away message, and it will allow you to select a start date and an end date and a message. Now, unfortunately, this is only available for premium accounts. So if you don't have a premium account, so if you don't have LinkedIn Premium, the 4 methods I mentioned before work wonders, and you don't actually need this. So this is just like some extra thing, cherry on top, if you have already done the other approaches. So let me know in the comments which one of the LinkedIn away from office, on vacation features did you like the most. Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to get more videos like this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, hit the like button, and also make sure that you check out my website timqueenie.com to get my free 33 pages LinkedIn hashtag guide, and also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I teach you my complete A to Z funnel, how to use LinkedIn to generate leads for your business with a kick-ass content strategy. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.